Hello YouTube. This is today's video is about this blower. This is a vintage antique blower and it is quite heavy. It's a Wolf make and this is the model number NWBE. And it is quite old, you know. It's a heavy duty. This is a metal solid frame and the rubber sleeve on the front, and here's the antique switch, on, off. So let's see, plug in and switch it on from here. Right, it's a quite powerful machine and still going, and they don't make these tools like these anymore. They're the plastic ones you can find today, but this is a very heavy duty, a metal heavy machine. You know, when you lift it, it's quite heavy. Right, that was the review of this, and hope you like it, and keep subscribe for the future videos, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.